Oh, hi! Welcome back to Veganist Fork, our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 12.
Yes.
Is that right?
That is correct.
Alright, so I thought I had the best vegan gravy, but I was wrong. Until I made the best vegan gravy. I took my vegan gravy recipe and I took it to a whole nother level.
Yeah.
I added mushrooms.
Mm.
This recipe is so good, it bears repeating because it doesn't have any of the nasty stuff in it.
No nasties.
No nasty, nasty free. When I went to the supermarket over the weekend and I was looking for some gravy, I in the past have bought organic gravy packets, and I flipped it over and I saw that it had maltodextrin in it.
Ooh.
And I was like, that's the worst thing in the world. Pretty much. So, yeah, I'm sure there's worse things, but, like, it's not good for you. So I decided to make my own, and I don't know what possessed me to put mushrooms in it, but it just took it to a whole nother level. So, on my little sheet pan here, I guess it's a quarter sheet, I have 1 onion halved, and 4 beautiful button mushrooms. And boy, was I surprised when this mushroom had a butt.
Oh my god!
Button. It's
got
juicy.
cheeks.
I'm juicy.
It's caked.
Yeah. So I'm going to pop this in my oven at 375. It's not up to temp yet, but I'm going to stick it in anyway. For about 15-20 minutes until the onion is nice and soft and the mushrooms have started to go. So we'll check back. Well, actually, we're going to start to put the ingredients in the blender because we're making this in the blender partially. When that comes out, we'll be all ready to plop it right in there. So let's go and get our blender going. So steamy. All right, so we have our blender here. And it just came out of the dishwasher, even though it's not finished.
It's clean.
It's been getting a workout this week, let me tell you.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm looking for the measurements on here because why dirty a measuring cup?
I thought you were just admiring it.
No. So I'm going to go to there. I'm going to put 2 cups of hot water in here. Don't try this with not a Vitamix or a Blendtec because I don't know if those other blenders are rated for like boiling liquids. We're also, well, the purpose of this is veggie stock. So if you've got veggie stock, great. Heat it up and put it in there, but I don't have veggie stock, so I'm using a Knorr Veggie Bouillon cube and the 2 cups of water. Then we're also going to add, for flavor, some vegan butter. But if you don't want to use vegan butter, I'm just putting like that much in. What is that, like a tablespoon maybe?
Sure.
If you prefer, actually it's pretty optional, but it does add a lot to it. You could put extra virgin olive oil as well. Because it's just going to give it that other depth of flavor and a little bit more fat. You know, when it's on your tongue, you'll be like, this is gravy.
Yeah.
We're also going to add some pepper for flavor, as much as you like. See you in about 5 minutes.
She really likes it.
Yeah, I do. That's for sure. All right, and then we're going to add some soy sauce for saltiness. I'm using gluten-free tamari. I'm going to say like a tablespoon.
I felt like more than a tablespoon.
It wasn't.
Glug glug.
That's right. All right, we've got 1 teaspoon of the granulated garlic. Feel free to use a fresh garlic cube if you want. I like that because I know it's not going to be bitter. Sometimes the garlic, the fresh, can be bitter in there. I'm also going to do 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning because that's going to give it like that Thanksgiving flavor. And now the big daddy. 1/3 of a cup. Now this is a 1/4 cup measuring thing. I couldn't find my third, so that's about a 1/3 cup of nooch.
Ooh.
Yeah, but it's not going to taste cheesy. This is just going to round out the flavor in the background. And then, final ingredient, besides the stuff that's in the oven that we're going to plop in here as soon as it's done, is, let's see, 2.5 tablespoons of potato starch.
Ah.
This is what's going to thicken it, and it's still going to be gluten-free. So we're going to do like 5 of those to make 2.5. That's going to be lovely. So now we're just waiting on our onion and mushrooms, and then we'll be ready to go.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Yeah, baby.
It's crazy what a little onion and mushroom will do for you.
I know, a little onion mushroom action. All right, so we're gonna slip these in here. Yes, I did spray my foil because I didn't get the easy release foil, and I didn't want to take a chance. Dive in.
Oh.
I didn't want to take a chance of it sticking to the
yeah, that'd be awkward.
the paper. That's no fun.
No.
All right, so we're gonna all that juice though. You want all that because that's flavor.
That's the good stuff.
That's right. You pay extra for that.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to the blender.
We don't need any gravy explosions.
No, that is for sure. All right, remember, start off on low. And then take it up. Power down. All right, so normally, in the past, I would have put this in a pan on the stove, heated it up to thicken it up.
Mm-hmm.
I know, yes, you can do it on the blender, but I have a hard time,
Ooh.
see, it's nice and hot. I have a hard time wanting to run my Vitamix for like 5 to 10 minutes.
That's a long time.
Yeah, I don't want to burn out the motor before it's time. So I'm going to pour this in a jar because this is how I'm going to keep it in the fridge anyway. Oh, it makes more than a little jar.
Whoa.
Right?
That's a lot of gravy.
All right, so I got my custom jar cozy here.
She made that.
And it's reversible.
How fun.
I know. This was actually made for a smaller jar, but it's kind of cute.
It is very cute.
All right, so we're going to put this in the jar cozy. We're going to put this in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes to bring it to a boil. Stir it, see if it needs more, and it should be nice and thick. So we're going to come back and taste it on some potatoes, precious. All right, we got some semi-warm mashed potatoes here. This was in for what? It was overflowing a little bit, so I had to take it out, but it probably could be a little bit thicker, but oh my goodness.
Ooh.
This looks so amazing.
Gonna be good.
I want to put enough.
Yeah.
Because it's really all about the gravy.
It is.
Oh, let's get you a nice little tiny spoon.
Oh, a little tasting spoon.
Little baby brother. Oh.
Lovely.
Oh, ready to taste?
Yeah.
All right.
I feel
go
bad
for
that
it.
you always taste the stuff, but it
Yeah.
looks like you don't.
I know, I do though.
Let's see what we've got. Gotta get a lot of that gravy.
Yeah, because the potatoes are lukewarm.
Well, also just because, like you said, it's all about the gravy.
Exactly.
Ooh, it smells good. I always have to do the smell test first.
I know.
Oh my god.
Whole nother level, right?
Mhm.
The mushrooms really add so much.
You've done it again, ma'am.
See what Shawnee thinks.
Wait, I need another bite.
Now, picture a roast tray bake.
Mmm.
Roast potatoes. Maybe
Yeah.
some cheese nuggets.
It would be so good.
Yeah.
Is Sean gonna use the same spoon?
No, he can have a different spoon.
Okay.
I'll wash a spoon for him.
You gonna have some? You wanna try it?
Go ahead. You don't let Maddie feed you. You can do it by yourself.
Here. Careful. Finish the... Is it good?
Good.
You get the Sean D seal of approval.
Yes. Well, that's worth it then.
I'm gonna have another one.
Yes.
But before I do that, thank you all so much for watching.
Yes.
Let us know if you give it a try. I think you should.
You'll really enjoy it.
It's really good.
I promise.
Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching. We'll be back tomorrow for more Veganuary.
Yeah, more.
All month. And until next time, much love.